Hello, today I would like to show you how to actually type pinyin and characters on a website. Okay, so what I would like you to do is you can type in purple culture pinyin, and that's where it will take you to type the characters and choose the first one. Okay, once you've done that, then you can type in the characters here. Actually, this is the Chinese to pinyin converter. If we want to type the characters, then we can use this online Chinese input. Alright, so now you can type the characters. So you just type the English, and then you will come up with the character on the right hand side, and you can choose it. Some of the words, because they come up together, so they will come together as a character together. Yeah, so like 两只猫. Yeah, 我喜欢两只猫. Okay, you can also type, how about if we type 1 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and what I would like you to do now is to use this website and to type 1 to 100. Okay, and also to type 5 sentences about your family. How about that? All right, that's all.